Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English with Ram. Today we will learn another important part of our series, how to learn vocabulary. We are going to learn it through important prefixes and suffixes. So our first word is aero. It is in prefix that is connected before a word. So aero means connected with the air or aircraft. So airplane, you know the meaning very well. Next is aerospace, industry of building, vehicles, aircraft and equipment to be sent into space. Next is MB. MB means referring to both of two, जिसका संबंध दो से हो. Word is ambidextrous, able to use both hands, right and left. Ambivalent, showing both good and bad feelings. Third is astro. Astro means connected with stars and spacecraft. So astronaut, a person whose job involving in traveling and working in the spacecraft. Astrophysics, scientific study of physical and chemical structure of stars, planets, etc. Next, author. It's author by yourself, itself or yourself. Autobiography, life story of person written by himself, यानी कि आत्मकथा. Automatic, without a person's involvement. Cardio means connected with the heart. Cardiologist, a doctor who treats and studies heart diseases. Centi means 100. Centipede, a creature with long body and many legs. And centimeter, a measuring unit of length, centigram, centimeter. Inter means between, from one to another. For example, international, from one country to another. Inter school, from one school to another. For example, inter school quiz competition means students of different school will also participate in any program or quiz or any event. But notice the difference. This is inter and another is intra. Intra means inside, within. Intra-district, within a district. Any function or any program that will happen within a same district. Intra-school, within a school. Next is omni, of all things, of all places, यानी कि सर्व. For example, omnipresent, present everywhere. Omnipotent, one who is all powerful. Omniscient, one who knows everything. All the things are used for Almighty God. Next is, these are the suffixes जो वर्ड के लास्ट में लगते हैं. फर्स्ट इज लेस, इट्स विदाउट. ट्रीलेस, विदाउट ट्रीज. मीनिंगलेस, विदाउट मीनिंग. नेक्स्ट इज मैनिया. मैनिया होता है ऑब्सेशन, मेंटल इलनेस ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर थिंग. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लेप्टोमेनिया, a strong desire to steal things. Bibliomania, craze for books or reading. Phobia means unreasonable fear or hatred of a particular thing. For example, aerophobia, a morbid fear of high places. Xenophobia, strong dislike against people of a different country. Next is est, makes superlative adjectives and adverbs. Richest, biggest. Next is cracy, of government, of rule. Democracy, rule by the people. Bureaucracy, rule by the bureaucrats, नौकरशाही. File, liking a particular thing, a person who likes a particular thing. For example, bibliophile, biblio related to books, a person who loves books and collects books. So that's enough for the day. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.